You bought a phone for its 5,000 milliamp battery, but after 2 days of nothing, you left with 73%. Hidden apps, bloatware, spyware are killing your phone's speed and drain battery. Stop them. Meet App Froster Pro in App Store for free. Let's to open Developer option. Go to Setting. Scroll down to About Devices and click 7 times Build Number to unlock Developer options. Enable USB debugging. I will click Revoke to prevent connection fail. After connect, use Transfer File Auto. Tap Allow on your phone when prompted. Xiaomi user will need to open 2 USB debugging. To activate it, it's important to remove all Google and manufacturer accounts. Make sure you have your password so you can log in back after we activate it. Phone like Samsung requires Samsung account to be removed. Download tool.zip from AppFroster website. Unzip to desktop and run this script. Follow the instruction. Make sure you read thoroughly and click I agree. Next, grant usage access to see everything running. We should close the USB debugging after we are done and make a full backup of your phone data before you try to disable anything. After activated, you can see there are some applications that I never install here. We can tap on it for more info. Yuck, so nasty. Let's debloat now. If it crash, then reopen and try again. I need always on display for the clock screen. We can search to unfreeze it. Finally, turn off the animation scale. Restart your phone to see the effect. Enjoy the battery life and speed your phone should have had all along. Thanks for watching. Grab the link below.